According to science, this galaxies, human, Earth came into being like an accident. एक accident के बाद ये सब कुछ वजूद में आया, as per the Big Bang theory. So time बना, space बनी, but still question is why. The purpose science is still searching. Then science कहती है कि everything is made of atom. Every atom in your body once a part of stars. So you are literally made of stardust. The same elements in the galaxy are inside you. So scientifically, you are not separate from the universe. You are universe in human forms. Then, as per quantum physics, simulation hypothesis, it also explains the same theory regarding the universe, that this universe is not a based reality. As quantum physics explains the theory of observer and observed. So question is, observed by whom? A Sufi once said, you are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. That Sufi was Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi. Rumi didn't see humans as ordinary beings. He believed that you are a body made of dust, but inside you is something infinite. तसव्वुफ में कहते हैं जो दिल है ना तुम्हारा सिर्फ ऑर्गन नहीं, इट्स अ मिरर, एंड व्हेन दैट मिरर इज क्लीन इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स समथिंग बियॉन्ड दिस वर्ल्ड. सो Rumi basically he is pointing towards a reality that your existence is far deeper than what you see in mirror. Rumi एक ऐसी जानिब इशारा कर रहे थे that thing is divine and about his creation. As you know, 1400 साल पहले अल्लाह ने हमें बता दिया था. अल्लाह says in कुरान कि हमने इंसान को तख्लीक किया मिट्टी से और उसमें अपनी रूह फूंक दी. As a Muslim, we believed on the day of judgment, आखिरत, जो दूसरी एक दुनिया है. So Allah gave us something very special, a soul, a consciousness, a purpose. As I defined earlier, quantum physics, hypothesis simulation, that this is not based reality. As a Muslim, we know that this life is not the real. There is another world which is a reality, where the architecture is. But one thing which is real today and remain real after our departure, which is soul, consciousness. So when consciousness starts working on you, like you see yourself, and एक साइंटिस्ट ने कहा था कि अकॉर्डिंग टू मेटाकॉग्निशन थ्योरी के जो एक्सप्लेन करती है कि लाइक एक ऐसी थिंकिंग कि आपकी थिंकिंग को भी देख रही है कि आप जो अब काम कर रहे हो उसको भी वो पॉइंट आउट करिए कि काम मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ. मतलब आप एज अ थर्ड पर्सन अपने आप को देख रहे हो वहाँ पर. सो दैट इज़ द सोल, दैट इज़ द कॉन्शियसनेस. रूमी डिफाइन दिस एज you are not infinite, but you are created with a connection to the infinite. You are a creation carrying signs of creator, and real journey is not outside, it's inside you. Because the closer you get to yourself, the closer you get to Allah. तभी मौलाना जलालुद्दीन रूमी लिखते हैं, yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world, but today I am wise, so I want to change myself.